Prepsters. Well, this is my second package that I'm making up of 72-hour kits for 2 people. We have some coffee, some hot cocoa, and some water flavoring here. We have the sterno thing that I made before, can opener, some lighters. I also have that cooking set in each one that I added later. I bought that. I've had that. Some wipes for breakfast, just oatmeal and raisins, and peanut butter and jelly on crackers for lunch. This is another lunch, Vienna sausage, baked beans, some soup with additional veggies. And for a high protein snack, you can do something like one of these on the crackers or some mixed nuts. For dinner, I'm gonna take this and split this into 2 different meals. So this will be one day with half of this, and the next day I'm gonna do this with the Velveeta and some pears. And the final meal will be roasted potatoes and some tuna and some corn. And then don't forget the snacks and water and other things, but got some sugar-free snacks here, some cookies, other things like that. And we got some silverware, some bowls, and there you go. I have a 72-hour kit for 2 people for an emergency. And this is all bought at Dollar Tree for $50. All right, from the Pandemic Prepsters to you, we hope you have a wonderful day, but a better tomorrow. Remember, by failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. Share this with someone that needs to learn this, because it is so important right now that we get some food stacked away for an emergency. Bye-bye.